Hi everybody and welcome to the Independent Producer Academy. I'm Sven Cam and I'm going to be doing our first unboxing video. I have a little confession to make. I got this in the mail today and I already opened it. But this is how it was delivered. I couldn't wait. But I'm going to show you what's inside. Feiyutech G6 3-axis gimbal. Handheld stabilizer for mirrorless and iPhone. So I was so excited to get it that I opened it up and tore it out of its package before I showed it to you, and I realized I was going to be doing an unboxing video. So, you know, it's like Christmas when Amazon delivers a package, you're like, yay, the new phone books are here. So I had previously ripped this off, and the way it came was it was wrapped in cellophane. Trust me, this is true. So there's cellophane, and on the outside of the package was the powder-coated tripod legs, which is nice. One of the reasons I ordered this is because it comes with the tripod legs, and for the price, it was really good. And then there's a plastic iPhone holder. So this is what was on the outside. Trust me, it really was. And I just got too excited. I can't help it. This is for online sales only. I guess they do a different one if you buy it in the store. This is the one that comes from nothing's different with the guarantee. And it comes in this box. And we shall pull it out. And so this is the Feiyutech. Seems like a nice plastic box. Tough. I can't believe I opened it before, but trust me, this is the way it arrived. And I'm gonna take this box away. So that's my tape because I had to tape it. I had to tape it shut again. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. So that's the case, and so let's open up this box first. What do we got in here? And it is a nice powder-coated, retractable Feiyutech phone holder with a mount on the bottom. It's got the mount, the 1/4 inch screw. So that's nice. So you can put your phone on there. Here's the battery. The battery comes sealed. Take that out. There's the battery. It's a 3.6, 500 millihertz, 500 milliamps, 500 milliamps, 3.6 volt battery. All right, and inside of here, this is all the important stuff. You want to see that this is, okay, there's one. This is a base plate screw. It's nice quality. Another base plate screw, and it has the hand turn. So if you don't have a quarter or a key, you can turn it with that. I like that. These are nice quality. I give you two of them, which I like. That fits on the base plate. Then there's the adjustment knob for a. What this is. This is an adjustment knob for the GoPro, and that's nice. They give you that, and they give you, there's a base plate for the 1/4 inch screw. That's also nice. Let me take this out for you. That's the GoPro. So they make it possible for you to attach a GoPro, your phone, or your camera. This is the GoPro with the 1/4 inch screw and the GoPro attachment. So you can slip your GoPro right on top of there. And then there's a charging cable. So that's nice so that you can charge it. I'm taking everything out one by one. There's the battery. And then this is the gimbal itself. Okay. Break it out. So this is the gimbal itself. Nice quality, powder coated, feels good in your hand. I just like the weight of it. It's not too heavy. It's really nice actually. I will be doing a review of this later. You can see the on-off button. There's the up-down, left-right. This is a trim adjustment. You can use the knob for zooming in, zooming out. You can pair this with the A6300, and you can pair it with other phones. I have the A6300, so I'm going to be pairing it with that. And this is the charging. Let's see, let's get this out. So inside of this rubber grommet right here is the charging port. This is I don't know what that one is yet. So I haven't paired it with the phone, but this is the way it looks. And I'm really happy with what arrived. It's good quality. Comes with all the bells and whistles. It's got a battery and a charger. I'll let you know how long it takes to charge it. There's charging cable, 2 screws. I don't think I'll need the GoPro attachment. So here are the instructions and the warranty. Hello, hello. Okay, then what we got in here is a little pamphlet. It comes with an iPhone attachment. Comes with the base plate for the mirrorless camera and the GoPro. So let's screw in the tripod base here. Feels pretty nice. You know, this thing came as promised. So, fulfilled by Amazon. So there it is, our first unboxing video, the Feiyutech G6 Plus 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal. We're going to have plenty of reviews and unboxing videos and tutorials, so hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out, and we will see you next time.